So you might be in this crazy situation where for some reason your Instagram chats and your Instagram messages just randomly disappeared. So if I'm on Instagram, right, and if I just went ahead and swiped through, you might see that if these chats just randomly disappeared for some reason, that might mean that your Instagram and Instagram itself may just be having issues. So the first thing I'd recommend doing there is to go ahead and just make sure Instagram isn't down. And you can do this by going over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com or go on Twitter or X, whatever, and just see if people are complaining about Instagram. If Instagram is down, it should show you something like this. It will just be like Instagram here, but it'll just have like a massive spike. If Instagram was down, it'll be one of the top options that just came up. So you might just want to go through and make sure that's not an issue. So go through here, just if Instagram is down, just basically wait until they end up fixing the problem. Now, if that's still the case and your messages are all still disappeared and they're just gone, you might just want to go through, close out of Instagram. So just close out of Instagram, give it a second, and then go through and reopen Instagram and go back into your message. So you want to see if that ends up doing it. So swipe to the side again, and that might have ended up fixing the situation, maybe not. If that still doesn't work though, you can also make your way back into your app store. So open up your app store just like this, and you want to search up the Instagram application. So just like this, search up Instagram, and what you want to do is update your Instagram app. For a lot of people out there, just updating the Instagram app can also end up fixing the problem. Lots and lots of people can end up having these types of issues. So try going through updating these apps, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And like I said, for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you. So that basically kind of covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.